how to redeem Dragon City codes. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem Dragon City codes and claim your free in-game rewards. It's a super simple process, so stick with me and I'll walk you through each step. First, open any browser you like. I'm using Safari, but any browser works. In the search bar, type in Redeem Dragon City Codes. The first result should be the official redemption page by Social Point. Go ahead and tap on that. Once the page loads, you'll see a big Login and Redeem button. Tap on that. It's going to redirect you back to the game app. In a second or two, you'll get a prompt asking to open Safari again. That's totally fine, just go ahead and approve it. Once you're back on the site and logged in, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. From that menu, choose the option that says Redeem. Now you'll see a box where you can type in your code. Just enter your valid Dragon City promo code, tap on the Redeem button, and you're done. Your reward will be sent directly to your Dragon City account. And that's all there is to it. Super easy. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.